到了1938年，国民政府他们第一战区的这个参谋部也提出这个事儿，眼看着他这个战场上啊节节败退，他就是没有办法了，所以说才这个壮士断腕，痛下决心来实施这一个策略。
The tactic succeeded in stalling the Japanese. By strategically breaking the dikes of the Yellow River wide open, a massive flood of water hurtled towards the areas threatened by Japanese troops.
日本的这个有一支部队，有骑兵，有坦克，有炮兵，等于全部就是说被水淹，当场都死了几百人，还有很多人困于水中被国军士兵去抓住。
Although turning the river into a weapon took out the Japanese army, it proved catastrophic for millions of innocent Chinese civilians.